In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a RIA Money Transfer account in 2025. First, download the RIA Money Transfer app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Register. Select your country of residence and enter your phone number. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your number. Next, create a secure password for your account and accept RIA's terms and conditions. Then provide your full name, date of birth, and email address. Depending on your location, you might also need to enter additional details such as your country of birth, nationality, occupation, and valid ID information. After that, input your mailing address and choose whether you'd like to receive promotional offers from RIA. Once all the information is entered, tap Continue to complete the registration process. You're now ready to send money to over 190 countries worldwide with RIA. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.